Said earlier, we are going to be making our Christmas. Hey everyone, we are going to make a recycled Christmas sweater, and all you need, like the decorations for Christmas, you need the glue gun in case you don't have the strong glue, and then you need the glue sticks, and then of course you need the sweater. You could use one of your old sweaters, or you could buy a new sweater. It just depends on what you're looking for. But I'm looking at having a very nice sweater for Christmas that I've made on my own. So let's get to it. You definitely see some pictures of how my sweater came out, my Christmas sweater. But as you can see, this is how it looks like. Yeah, I like it. Comment down there and tell me if you like it. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and don't forget to share. See you soon.